Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to find your local Coldwell Banker. As you can see, we're on the coldwellbanker.com website, and what you need to do is sign in and then click on agent and offices, and then you're either gonna click on search for an agent if you're looking for an agent or an office. So let's say, or you could also click on all agent and all offices if you want to look at everything that's there. But let's say we just search for this, and then you can search by city or zip. So let's say we want to connect with someone who's from Michigan, so Michigan city center, wherever one is closest to you. Let's say we choose Michigan center, and these are all of the local Coldwell Banker real estate agents that are connected and inside your area, so you can easily contact them from here. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.